Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cuphead with two controllers on PC. First, connect your two game controllers to your personal computer. You can use either wired or wireless controllers, but make sure they are fully charged or have fresh batteries. Once connected, confirm that your operating system recognizes both devices. This is a crucial first step to ensure a smooth co-op experience. After confirming, simply launch the Cuphead game application. Now that the game is running, navigate to the main menu and find the Options or Settings menu. Within this section, look for controls or input to manage your devices. The game should automatically detect your connected controllers. Confirm that both Player 1 and Player 2 are assigned to separate controllers. If needed, you can customize button mappings to your preference for each player, ensuring a comfortable gameplay experience for both of you. With your controllers configured, it is time to jump into the action. From the main menu, select either New Game to start fresh or Continue if you have an existing save. Crucially, choose the two-player or co-op mode option. Once the game begins, Player 2 can typically join the game by simply pressing any button on their assigned controller. This will bring their character into the game world, ready for cooperative challenges. Playing Cuphead with a friend is incredibly rewarding, but teamwork is key. Remember to communicate effectively with your co-op partner, especially during intense boss fights. Each character has unique abilities, so strategize how to best use them together. For instance, one player might focus on parrying while the other deals damage. Practice makes perfect, so do not get discouraged by early defeats. Enjoy the vibrant world and challenging fun of Cuphead together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.